Bhavneswar. Now today we will continue the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of angles. So these are the formula from the trigonometric functions of sum and difference of angles. So you have to remember all this formula. This is not a complete formula. There are some formulas left. So here the formula is cos pi by 2 plus x. This is formula number 1. So it is minus sin x. Cos pi minus x is minus cos x. Sin pi by 2 plus x is cos x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. And cos pi plus x is minus cos x. Cos 2 pi minus x is cos x. Sin pi plus x is minus sin x. Sin 2 pi minus x is minus sin x. So here these are the identities. These are the trigonometric identities. So tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this formula. So tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Cot a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1. Cot b plus cot a. Similarly cot a minus b. So cos 2x. So cos 2x, it has 4 formulas. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cos 2x may be cos square minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x may be 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x may be 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x may be 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So sin 2x, it has 2 formulas. 2 sin x. One is 2 sin x cos x. And next is 2 tan square x minus 1, 2 tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And tan 3x is 3 tan x minus 10 cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So these are the some formulas which you have to remember. So these formulas. Okay. Now today I'll take some examples based on this formula. Tan a plus b. Tan a plus b. The question is, find the value of tan 75 degree. Find the value of tan 75 degree. First, in solution, we will write tan 75 degree. Tan 75 degree. Now first, this angle makes into specific angle. So specific angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So these are the specific angles. Okay, make into specific angles by breaking this angle. So tan, this is 45 degree plus 30 degree. 45 plus 30 is 70. So this equals to tan. Now put this formula, tan a plus b. This is tan a plus b. So tan a is 45 degree plus tan b is 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30 degree. This equals to tan 45 is 1 plus, now value of tan 30 is 1 by root under 3 divided by 1 minus, now value of tan 45 is 1 into 1 by root under 3. Now we can take LCM. In denominator, root 3 is LCM. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus 1 divided by, here also denominator, root 3 is there. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus 1. We can cut root 3 because they are in denominator. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 is left. Now rationalize by denominator with opposite sign. So root 3 here is minus, you have to put here plus, root 3 plus 1. So these and these are same, so we can write root 3 plus 1 whole square because of the same number. So it is a minus b, a plus b, so it is a square minus b square, root 3 minus 1 whole square. Now put the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2 into a is 3, root 3 into b is 1 plus b square divided by, this is root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root under 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. After that, so 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 root under 3 divided by 2. So 4 is a multiple of 2, so we can take 2 as common. 2 into 2 is 4 plus root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel, so 2 plus root 3 is the answer. This is the case of tan a plus b equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So next case, tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree, first we have to make it into specific angles. Specific angles in solution, tan 15 degree. 15 degree, how will you get 15 degree? Tan 45 degree minus 30 degree, we get 15 degree. So these are specific angles. 45 degree it has values, 30 degree it has values. So tan a minus b, this is the second case, tan a minus b. So tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b, tan 45 minus tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. So this equals to tan 45 degree is 1 minus, now what is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into 30 is 1 by root 3. Now again we take LCM. For this, root under 3 is LCM. Root under 3 minus root under 3 into 1 is root under 3 minus 1 divided by, this is root under 3 into 1 is root under 3 plus 1. Now we can cut denominator because they are same. So this equals to root under 3 minus 1 divided by root under 3 plus 1. Now again rationalize by denominator with opposite sign. So this is root 3, here is plus, we have to put here minus, divided by root 3 minus 1. So this equals to, these are same, so we can write root 3 minus 1 whole square. This equals to, these are in a plus b, a minus b, so a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So this equals to root 3 minus 1 whole square is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1 square divided by a square. This is root 3 square is 3 minus 1. Now again root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 square is 1 divided by 2. This will be 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now take 2 as common. 2 minus root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 divided by 2. So these two cancel. This equals to 2 minus root 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is the case of 10a minus b. We already have done sin a minus b. What is the formula of sin a minus b? Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now let's take one example for this case. So question is find the value of sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree. In solution, first we have to break it into specific angle. Sin 15 degree is equals to sin 45 degree minus sin 45 degree minus 30 degree. So this equals to, it is sin a in minus b, sin a minus b. So what is the formula of sin a minus b? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin a is sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. So this equals to, sin 45 is 1 by root under 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this will be, now 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2, 1 into root 3 is root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now take LCM. LCM is 2 root under 2. Here is root 3 minus 1. And this is the answer. Okay, this much for today. In next class, I will solve the questions based on today's formulas.